There is a massive misconception in this industry that you need to spend $80,000 at a prestigious design school to become a fashion designer. While a formal education is incredible, the gatekeeping is officially over. If you have an internet connection and the discipline to sit down and do the work, you can build a world-class fashion education entirely for free. And as a professional fashion designer, I constantly get asked where beginners should start. Today, I am breaking down the absolute best free online fashion design courses available right now. We are going to cover everything, from design theory and flat pattern making, all the way to the business of managing a fashion brand or educational program. Grab a notebook. Let's build your curriculum. Before you touch a sewing machine, you have to understand the why of fashion. You need to know how to think like a designer. Your first stop should be Coursera. They host a legendary, completely free course by the Museum of Modern Art called Fashion as Design. This isn't about sewing, it's about understanding the cultural impact of garments, silhouettes, and sustainability. It teaches you how to look at clothing critically. Next, you'll want to look at the Parsons School of Design free offerings, also on Coursera. They offer modules that walk you through the actual design process, how to take an abstract concept, build a mood board, and translate it into a cohesive collection. When you take these theoretical courses, don't just watch them like a Netflix show. Treat them like university lectures. Pause the video, research the designers they mention, and start building your own visual library. Once you have the vision, you need the technical vocabulary to bring it to life. This is where most self-taught designers get stuck. A beautiful sketch means nothing if you can't construct the garment. For the hard technical skills, YouTube and platforms like Allison are gold mines. You want to search for comprehensive tutorials on flat pattern making. This is the engineering of fashion. Don't start by trying to drape a ball gown. Start with the foundational blocks. Look for free masterclasses that show you how to draft a basic A-line skirt pattern, or how to properly construct a bra top pattern. These specific garments teach you crucial lessons about darts, grain lines, and contouring to the body. You also need to master fit. Search for specialized, free technical videos on precise measurements, for instance, understanding how to accurately calculate and adjust your crotch depth measurement for trousers. If you get that wrong, the pants simply won't fit, no matter how great the fabric is. Master the technical math, and your designs will elevate from homemade to professional. Here is the reality check. Fashion is an industry, not just an art project. You can be a genius at the cutting table, but if you don't understand the business, your label won't survive. Whether your goal is to launch an independent brand, work as a creative director, or even manage a fashion design school, you need operational knowledge. For this, I highly recommend the business courses on edX and the Oxford Home Study Center. They offer free modules on fashion business, branding, and marketing. If you're leaning toward the administrative or educational side, like structuring a fashion program, you need to study organizational management alongside design. Look for free courses on business operations where you learn how to establish check and balance systems. You need to understand how to define the mandates of your team, what exactly a manager does versus a registrar, versus the teaching faculty. A successful fashion enterprise requires a rigid operational backbone to support the creative chaos. Finally, we have to talk about where the industry is going. If you are learning fashion today, you must learn digital design. Software like Cielo 3D and Style 3D are revolutionizing how we create tech packs and sample garments. While the software itself might require a subscription, the official YouTube channels for these programs offer hundreds of hours of free, step-by-step training. You can also find fantastic free tutorials on Udemy's free tier for Adobe Illustrator. Illustrator is the industry standard for drawing flats and creating technical specification sheets for factories. Spend an hour a day learning the pen tool, and you will be light years ahead of the competition. The information is out there, and it is entirely free. But information without execution is useless. Your homework this week is to pick just one platform we talked about today. Sign up, schedule 1 hour in your calendar, and take your first class. As you learn, document your progress. Keep your sketches, your terrible first patterns, and your business notes. That is the beginning of your professional portfolio. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. In the comments below, tell me which area of fashion you struggle with the most. Is it the sketching, the pattern making, or the business side? Keep creating, stay disciplined, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.